What's up, guys? Gotta do the updated chainsaw collection video. So I guess we're just gonna go through them. I have 109. I counted earlier. Yeah, that's way too many, but whatever. So mainly got some McCulloughs, some Home Lights, some Polands, a few other oddballs laid in there, some Pioneers, Partners, Lombards. What else is down there? Yeah, David Bradley. Some small Home Lights over there. They didn't deserve to be in the lineup. A few made it in there. They're over there. And the Waterbug. And the concrete saw. Those aren't really chainsaws, but they're Home Lights, so I'm going to count them. A Steel. So I guess we're just going to go through them all. Not all of them, just a brief overview. So there's a Super XL Timber Bear 610 Poland 25 400 Home Light XL12 Dayton 2Z, what is it, a 463 461 Steel 31, another Super XL Eager Beaver 3.4 Super XL Low XL. I'm actually Super XL XL12s, so there I'll skip over them. There's a Steel 29 Home Light 903, what is that, a 901, 903? What does it say? I don't even know what I have and what I don't have. 903. Pioneer, P38 Farm Saw, little Super 2, a few bow saws through here. Mac 1010, Sears 3.7, some more XL Automatic, or 1965 US made. McCullough Mini Mac 76, the XL98 concrete saw, XL500. That's an old blue. A bunch of Super XLs, XL12s. Easies, a few Easies up through there. Home Light 150s, an old Echo CS, I don't know, 500, 5,000. What's that say? 5,000? Yeah, 5,000. Easy. Early XL12. Mac 1010, 1010 right hand start. 150. What's that? Early 610. C72 Poland 306A, Little John 361, 4200, and 041 Farm Boss. Limited edition Super XL Home Light 190 rare saw. You don't see many of them. Poland 3700, a Craftsman version. Home Light C9, a Super XL 610. There's a few little Poland top handles scattered around. Little 240 XL12. Yeah, you know, I got too much stuff. Here's all the little XLs and stuff. Little Waterbug. Anything special right here? And not really, I don't guess. Just a bunch of them. Time to point out some saws that, I don't know, special to me, I like a lot. See, I really like that 400. I like that Dayton. Where's it at? There's my first, that's not it. It's got a banana bar on it, I know that. Oh, here it is, down here. Oh, that's my first Super XL right there. I got that saw, I don't know, for like 3 years ago, something like that. Yeah, this always ran, I used it a lot. I really like that 361, also I really like that 4200. I like that C9 back there. There's that old Lee Super XL. That's it right there, it's Lee Super XL. Leon's 1010 right next to it. I do like that Easy. I like the concrete saw. I like the bow saws, they're cool. I like the two silver McCulloughs. The 30 400, 3420. I guess what, 3.420 inches, yeah. And the other one's a Power Mac PM605 AV-20. There's some good saws. Got to get some pictures of them. Craftsman 3.6. I really like that one. That's met a lot of good people through that saw. Let a lot of enemies too. Blue 150. I like that saw. The Big Red. I like that saw. I like all these. Don't get me wrong, but some just I like more than others. Yeah. I want to give big thanks to my buddy Dean Small Engines, and I want to give another thanks to my buddy Reese. Yeah, Reese. What's his channel name? It's something like that. I'll post them in the description. So yeah, there's most of the saws. Let me know if you guys want to see any videos on these individually, because there's a whole story that goes along with every single one of them. And yeah, I guess that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.